Hey there, Stations beings. So I wanted to add to the what you need to know as a nurse and the vital signs. When you know lung sound stridor, know that stridor is a medical emergency. You need to be calling rapid response 911. If the stridor is caused by an occlusion, let's say the person choked on some food and you hear stridor, you want to be doing the Heimlich maneuver. You want to get the food or the occlusion or whatever causing that stridor lung sound, because this is a medical emergency. Another thing I want to say is intuition is important. A lot of people do call it intuition, but if you really think about it, it's God giving you an insight of something's not right. We always say if you have that gut feeling, and that gut feeling is God trying to warn you like something's not right, you need to do something. So if you use these skills and implement it, this will help you in your nursing career.